Well, our jacked up Chevy Silverado LT, the trail boss, one of the motors is intermittent, passenger side. We're gonna have to replace it. Stand it up, pop the cap off here, take the nut off, slide it off, take a couple screws out, unplug it, replace it. Let's get it. All right, remove that off. The motor slides out, maybe. So you gotta take that cover off, and then we'll slide it off. Slide the new one in. Put your cover back on, plug it up, put your bolt back in. It's the easiest one I ever worked on. Back on the road again. Madville Motorsports, baby.